Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Wise business account from Australia. So this will help Australian businesses send and receive payments internationally at low cost. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to wise.com/business, and once you're here, you will have to select Australia as the country or the location, and after that you will just have to click sign up, which is right here. And once you're here, you will enter your email address, and then you will be prompted to choose your account type. So you should select business type, and then you could select either sole trader, Pty Ltd, or whatsoever, and then you will just have to click next. And then after that, you will fill in your business details such as your company name, registration number, business sector, and then you will just have to click next again. And then you will be prompted to provide your full name, your date of birth, your email, and then of course you do have to upload your ID, which is either passport or driver's license. And this is optional, by the way, but definitely recommended and helps you verify your identity faster is to link your existing bank account. And then after all that, you will just have to submit all the details, and then the Wise team will review it, and it will get verified within about 1 to 3 business days. And yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.